Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Isaac, and today I wanted to share with you guys this little terrain generation project I've created using Raylib and C++. This simulation was actually inspired by a different video from the coding train. Be sure to check him out if you don't know him. He's got a lot of interesting videos. I've included the link in the description for that video specifically. I've decided to use C++ because I don't like Java that much, and actually more of a SDL kind of guy, so I never used Raylib. So I've decided to test it out and see how it goes. And it's actually pretty fun, pretty easy. A lot of examples in their site. The cheat sheet is also really helpful if you want to look at a specific function or want to look at a parameter that you're missing or something. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. If you enjoyed this or have some questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.